Hi guys, so this video will explain how to update the details of a student by using student login. So I will demonstrate by using a sample login. Login username is this one and password type here. So every user by default their username is their USN number and password is also same, USN number in capital letter. After that you can sign in. So once they sign in, a student home page will get it. So here all details are there and what is the attendance report also. Then how a student can update their profile. Click on update profile, then they will get complete profile here. So if photo want to update, they can click photo, browse button and select the proper photo. For example, if I selecting this, then update, yeah, it is updating. Any details, any time, anywhere you want to update, provide the details and update. Click the update button. Then go to the next address bar. Here permanent address can update. Next parent details. Here we can update the parent phone number, occupation, etc. Then other details is for Aadhaar number and blood group. So these are the details of the students. The next few buttons are used for updating the marks. So click on first button, semester 1. Then you can see here all the subject that this particular student studied in first semester. Okay, select the subject, then enter the CIE mark, then what is the maximum CIE mark, then what is the SCE mark, and what is the maximum SCE mark, then what attempt he made. And CIE means you can see here continuous internal evaluation. SCE means semester end examination. Okay, so this is the way to enter mark. And if you want to modify this mark, verify whether it is already frozen or not frozen. If it is frozen, you can't modify. If it is not frozen, you can modify it. For example, here you can see 70 Math 11, Engineering Mathematics 1. So if I want to edit it, select that one. See if it is, my mark is 35 mark. So 35 you can write. Then out of 40, then it is in first attempt, then submit it. So you can see here it is updated, 35 mark. Okay, without affecting other subject, you can update. But it is not possible to update the mark which is already frozen by the mentor. Okay, for example, if I try to update computer aided engineering drawing, yeah, the thing is that subject is not listed here. Why? Because which is already frozen. So you can, if you want to update, you need to contact your mentor and mentor will defreeze it. Then after that the subject will list here. Okay, if you refresh, then that subject will list here, otherwise the subject will not list here. This is the way to update marks. And suppose look at here, it is telling that no marks entered so far. So no table is appearing so far, no mark entered, that's why. But in some situation the subject also here in drop down menu, subject also will not list. Then you can contact your mentor and mentor can add the subject. Once the mentor completed adding subject, then automatically that subject will list here and you can enter the mark. Okay, then not only that, if you want to upload the screenshot or PDF file of the mark sheet that you have obtained from the university site by using this button. Okay, here is a file uploading option that will provide you to upload the certificate mark cards, and once you upload it, it will appear here. So it will appear here. It's a sample copy that I have uploaded. Yeah, this is the way to upload the file. Okay, I think you understood how to update marks and update profile. Okay, thank you for watching the video.